Right, this is my bike check. I've got ODI plastic bar ends that are useless, no point in having. ODI long neck grips, really soft, recommend them 21 best grips ever. Primo 2-bolt lever, Odyssey Iron Rough space bars, some weird top gyro cables, some just a standard gyro, Odyssey GTX3, lower cables, Easton Kodak frame with a blank stem and a blank white headset integrated, Easton Nitrous OG forks with an Eclat tyre and a United Supreme female front wheel. Got exposure cranks, not that good. Primo plastic pedals with a bone desk sprocket and a chain. Exposure mid bottom bracket with blank e-brakes, blank clear brake pads, Primo mix 9 tooth, really good, nice tick. Primo balance rim, chrome and Odyssey path tyre, Federal pivotal seat, not that comfy, Kink pivotal seat post, and that's it.